Hi, I'm Julia Murtaugh. Welcome to 1112 Donahue Drive in beautiful Pleasanton, California. This light and bright desired floor plan has a spacious kitchen family room space, which flows out to a stunning backyard with a pool, fire pit, and outdoor living space. There's a private guest bedroom and bathroom downstairs and an elegant dining room for family gatherings. Upstairs, there are 3 bedrooms, including a spacious primary suite with a bathroom, a separate office space for those daily Zoom calls, and the laundry room. Enjoy the proximity to downtown for dining, the amazing farmers market. You'll be close to nearby parks and the neighborhood pool with a cabana. One of our favorite things about this home is the beautiful, spacious great room. And imagine yourself enjoying this personal oasis. If you're interested in seeing this beautiful home, please call us, email, or text us today.